Hello YouTube. Welcome to another case unboxing. We got the Greenlight, the Hobby Shop Series 9. This came from 3000 Toys. Not sponsored at all. I did already pick up one vehicle, maybe two out of this, but I didn't mind having extra, so went ahead and picked up a case. I liked every vehicle in this release. Hopefully we get a green machine. Or I might just rather have all of them the regular, but we'll go ahead and crack them open too. So the first one, as I just threw it, is gonna be the 1968 Jeepster with surfboards. Pretty cool looking casting. Now the Hobby Shop is a pretty cool series. It all comes with something, either a little person, or this comes with surfboards, which I've never picked up any like the surf shop releases or anything like that from Greenlight. I think these are the first surfboards I got. Awesome little casting though. Smell the paint when I opened it. Awesome little casting. I did not change my lighting in the room, so this camera I think picks up on the light a lot better. Huh. This surfboard kind of appears to be double-sided. Guess they just kind of sit in there like that. This one almost appears to be single-sided. And the next one, it's going to be one I already picked up. I did crack open. It's a 2020 Ford Explorer with an extra set of wheels and tires. Sorry, but since I just cracked it open in a previous video, I have it sitting here, so I grabbed it. So we'll still be able to take a look at it. Awesome casting. Greenlight did a hell of a job with this casting. Absolutely love it. Definitely don't mind having an extra one of this. They sold out pretty quick on eBay. You can still pick them up on eBay right now, but not for very long, so you better hurry up if you want one. And the next one is a 1953 Studebaker. Get a little gas pump with it. Little vintage gas pump. Pretty cool. Not sure if I have any examples of this Studebaker casting. Kind of why I like to pick up sets here and there to get castings I wouldn't normally pick up. I would like to have an example of every Greenlight tooling, so Little gas pump. These little gas pumps are kind of cool. Of course, a die-cast car. An all Greenlight. Of course, have metal base and rubber tires now. I don't think they do any of the motor rolled castings anymore that just had plastic bases and plastic tires. I think they did away with all them. But no, because I have a Mustang that has a plastic base and plastic tires. It was in a box set. It's a more recent box set. So they still, once in a while, but never in this line, just in the diorama multi-pack lines. Next we have the 92 Ford Crown Vic, which I must have picked it up because I have the little guy right there. So let me go grab that real quick while you look at the Studebaker. Oh. And it's right here. So I guess I'll have 2 extra out of this set. But definitely don't mind having an extra one of these either. So it's not released in the civilian deco very often. Hoping this one or that one was a green machine. So, and this one too, 1981 Chevy Caprice. See, I had pre-ordered this set and I forgot, and then I ended up, I don't know if I found these 3 at a hobby shop or if I ordered them online. I don't remember that little girl, but I do have this Chevy Caprice too, so let me grab it. And it doesn't appear that I would have got a green machine in this set anywhere. But we do have one more left, so. Awesome, awesome. Have this in a civilian deco. It's only been released, I think, 3 times now. Maybe 4. 3 times in the civilian. There's a white, 4. There's a white one, this one. I should have just grabbed them. Oh well. Let's check out the last one. We'll make this a shorter video, try and get it done with 10 minutes or less. And it is not a green machine. It's fine because I've had good luck from 3,000 toys with getting ultra reds or green machines. So, but we got the 1972 Chevy Rally Nova with race car driver. There you go. I think this is the first 72 Chevy Nova I got from Greenlight. I'm pretty sure. I've never picked up this tooling. Don't really care for the Nova tooling. I don't know what it is. I love the Chevelle tooling, but I just wish they come out with the 2-door and 4-door Malibu from like 98, the 80s and 90s. They look kind of like this, but they were shorter. They had a 2-door and a 4-door Malibu. Or no, it wasn't. Was it a Malibu? Can't remember. So, this is actually a really good example of it to have. Nice detail under the hood. Looks really good in white. Really nice example of it. Definitely happy to have it. It's the only problem with pre-ordering stuff, especially when you don't realize how long out it is. Usually, especially with 3,000 toys, it's usually a month or two behind the month they say. So if they say January, don't expect it before March 1st. So a little food for thought there if you ever pre-order. Sometimes he'll post stuff 8 months ahead of time, so you really got to look at the date too. I'm never going to pre-order off eBay again. Very, very awesome looking car. Very happy to have it for the Chevy collection. Well, let me know which one was your favorite. Of course, mine's going to be the Ford Explorer. But it's actually had a lot of good vehicles in it, so it's definitely a release I had to pick up. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know down in the comments which one was your favorite. Probably a lot of people's going to be the Caprice.